You will see what starts off to be a clean and clear section of cast iron pipe. Most houses in New York City were built with the initial 3 to 5 feet of pipe being cast iron, and after that the pipe transitions to clay, which is where the external pipes that are located below ground begin. Here you can see the pipe is experiencing massive root intrusion. As a result, you can actually see a wet wipe is stuck in the roots on the bottom of the pipe. This is a perfect example of what could cause a sewer backup and how it actually happens. The camera now attempts to push through the roots to find sitting water. This may be a result of a few things. First, the sewer pipe may not have proper pitch, which is required for your sewage to flow on gravity. The second possibility is that there is some form of obstruction further down in the pipe which is not allowing the sewer to flow properly. As we continue down the sewer line, we'll continue to encounter more root growth, which will certainly obstruct the way we want the sewage to flow on the inside of the pipes. We are now nearing the end of the sewer at the point where your pipe connects to the city pipe. This is referred to as the city spur connection. The camera will now drop beyond the spur and into the city sewer. Overall, this is an example of what may cause a sewer to back up in your residence. There are many other variables to consider, as well as a proactive approach you may want to take before it gets to this point. It is always suggested to consult with your licensed master plumber.
Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all our videos in the future.